Hello everyone! Today we'll learn how to make a creative typography cover design using a custom frame in Canva. So let's dive in. In our last tutorial, we covered how to create custom frames in Canva. Now let's elevate our skills to the next level. First, select a design with 1000 by 1500 pixel dimensions. Go to the text option and add your text. Change the font. Here we are selecting Amsterdam 1. Make sure you select a font that separates the upper and the bottom parts of the page perfectly. Resize and adjust its position to the middle. Rotate the text slightly. Change the font color and add effects if desired. Then download it as a PNG file. Next, open photopea.com in your browser, click Open from Computer and import the file that we just created in Canva. This time we want a selected part of our image, so we select the magic wand from the side panel. Click and select the area that you want to be a part of your custom frame. For multiple selections, press Shift key and click. Now go to the Paths tab and click Selection to Path. The blue outline indicates that the path is created. Next, go to the Layer, then Vector Mask and select Current Path. Now export this as a PDF. Go to File, then Export As and choose PDF. Ensure no options are checked and save the PDF. Again, go to Canva and upload the PDF file we just created. Add a new page. Add the frame design from the projects. Now add a winter photo to the frame first. Then add a summer image and adjust it at the bottom. Send it to the back. Then copy the text from the first page and paste it onto the second page. And that's it. Our cover design is ready. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.